What's going on, credit snipers? This is your boy Carlos Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, today I'm bringing you a video that is going to teach you 5 hacks in order to increase your credit score by 100 points in the next 7 days. Guys, stay tuned. Alright family, welcome back. Once again, I am Carlos Vega with the best credit blueprint. Guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. Guys, you blessed me with your presence and I hope that this video helps you out. As a matter of fact, I know this video is going to help you out because it's going to increase your credit score by 100 points in no time. Guys, if you're new in our channel, do not forget to subscribe. Make sure that you like and share. There's a lot of content, so much valuable content that I want you to share with someone else. Guys, click on that bell icon and make sure that you click on all. So like that, you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. Now, guys, one of the main things is I want to make sure that I reach as many people as I can. My goal, my mission is to help many of you, thousands, to actually increase your credit score and finally get to the 800 club. Guys, so what I'm asking from you, this is a free content. What I'm asking from you is give me the thumbs up. Just press that thumbs up, like it, share, thumbs up. Like that, the algorithm will actually put me in front of many more people, so like that I can help them out. Now, without further ado, let's get to the content. Now guys, before we start with the 5 hacks, now guys, let's talk about credit. Why is credit important? Now, one of the sayings that I love is that money talks, but credit holds conversations. Guys, credit gets you into places. And what I mean by that is, hey, how many of you are tired, sick and tired of not being able to actually qualify for a home loan, to qualify to get a loan for the car that you want? And you have to settle. I mean, I was there, guys. I was there. I was in the 500s. I was in the 595. I've been able to actually learn this blueprint or create this blueprint for myself and get to the 800s, guys. Today, I'm able to actually look. As a matter of fact, you just truth to tell right now is just a couple of days ago, I went into Navy Fed and I was able to actually get a car loan for more than $50,000. Now, I'm not going to tell you what car I'm getting, but it was great. So what I'm saying is, years ago, probably 2 years, that's when I really started learning about this blueprint or creating this blueprint. I wasn't able to do that. Guys, I was even applying for the capital ones, and I wasn't getting approved. Guys, credit. You need to learn about your credit. You need to be able to actually know the ins and outs. Credit is going to allow you to get to where you want to go. Do you know that if you really want to work for the government or for certain entities in the United States, they check your credit? And if you don't have a good credit, you more than likely are not getting that job. For you to get a secret clearance or even a top secret clearance with the United States or with the government, you know that you need to have good credit. So guys, it's time to get a hold and learn. Get control. Take control of your life. Take control of your finances. And what I mean by that is learn the credit blueprint. Create that blueprint that is going to allow you to get to the next level. And that's where you want to be, right? Because you wouldn't be here. And I wouldn't be here because now that I got what I wanted or how I want to give back. I want you to get to the 800 club, guys. All right, guys. Hack number 1. Guys, you need to check your credit. Now, how am I going to put it this way? Credit Karma. I know everybody talks about Credit Karma. I did a review about Credit Karma. Now, I'm not a big proponent, big fan of Credit Karma. Why? Because they use was Advantage 3.0, and almost 78% of the lenders in the United States use your FICO score. So what I will advise you is either go to your free credit report, go to Experian, get a free account, or in the bottom, I'm going to put a link for my Score IQ, myscoreiq.com, which it gives you in detail all 3 bureaus, guys. And this is your FICO 8, your main FICO 8. This is what you need in order to qualify for a lot of loans, for a lot of home loans, car loans, and so on. Now, I'm giving you a 7-day trial. Try it out. Check it out. You got 7 days. You can have your credit report. You see your credit score. Print it out. You could cancel it after or before the 7 days, or keep it because you know what? That's my special, the one that I decide to actually use. That's the one that I like, and that's the one that I'll advise you to use. Now, guys, now that you got your credit score, I mean your credit report, that was tip number one. Make sure that you go through everything. Make sure that you see what doesn't belong to you or what you want to dispute. And that brings me into the second hack. Make sure that you dispute everything. And what I mean by that is anything and everything that doesn't seem right, that you think is erroneous, that is not right in your credit report, under the FCRA, you have the right. You have the right to dispute anything. It is up to the credit bureaus to go ahead and then investigate and allow you to provide you with either it was verified or we are deleting this dispute or this negative from your credit report. Now, guys, you also go into another of my videos in which I show you how to actually dispute this increase or this negatives in your credit report. And remember, always, when you send these letters, you always got to send them through the USPS, the United States Postal Service, and make sure that they are certified. Why you want to send certified letters? Why? Because they are time stamped. That gives you the clock, or that puts a clock on them and the pressure on them because they have 30 days under the law to reply to you with, hey, we found that this account was either verified or guess what? Hey, we taking this negative from your credit report. And every time that they take a negative from your credit report, your score can go up between 20 to 25 points, guys. Not only that, knowing what's wrong on your credit report by actually doing that. The first time that I did this, guys, the first time that I did it and I started disputing, my credit report went up by 73 points. That's 73 over 100. So let's continue. All right, hack number 3, guys. I want you to go through your credit cards. If you have a credit cards that you have for more than 3 months, you know you have the ability to call these banks and ask for a credit limit increase. Now, by having and getting approved for a credit limit increase, could be 1,000, could be a couple thousands. Hey, guys, and that lowers your utilization. By lowering your utilization, it increases your score. Guys, and that could raise your score between 5 to almost 50 points right there. So call your bank or call your creditor. Make sure that you ask and make sure that, look, one of the main things that they see is that how responsible have you been with their credit card, with the lending. So if you have been responsible payment on time, you have no late payments, you have a credit utilization on the 30%, and you have the card for more than 3 months, guys, give them a call. Give them a call, ask for a credit limit increase, and you'll see that your credit score is going to go up. Now, utilization. So from third to the fourth, this is the hack. You want to keep, and my advice to all of you is to keep your utilization between 2 to 5%. Guys, if you are over this threshold and you need to actually pay your stuff off, guess what, guys? Hey, stop being responsible about it. One of the tricks that I ask you to actually start using in this utilization or lowering your utilization is to use the snowball effect. And what I mean by that is you're always going to take the card that you owe the less and you're going to attack it like there's no tomorrow. Any little money, any dollar, any cent that you could find, hey, pull it together and stop paying that sucker up. Stop paying it until you get between 2 to 5%. And once you do, then you attack the next one. Little by little, you'll see the utilization it's going to start going down and your credit score will shut up. Right now, with just the utilization by itself, you can get up to 35 points. Remember, we got 63, 73 from one, we got almost 25 from one, and 35 from this one. Guess what, guys? We in hack number 4, and we already more than 100 points. And this can be happening in 7 days if you actually get to learn what the blueprint teach you and put it in practice. Let's go to number 5. Number 5, guys. Number 5 is learn your own blueprint. Guys, give me a call. The best credit blueprint, 516-600-0127. Guys, you need to learn how to play this game. We teach you, we have the blueprint from A to C. It is our goal to tailor it to you guys. Why? Because I want you to be successful. Why? Because it is my goal to make sure that you reach the 800 club, like many of you have done already, guys. Hey, I want to help you be able to afford what you want. Get the home, get the vehicle, get what you're looking for. Be able to afford the trip that you want. Why? How can you afford the trip that you want? By getting a good quality credit card. Not the little kitty credit card, the $200,000, $500,000 that can even get you anywhere. But the good quality cards that can get you in the thousands of dollars. But guys, hey, with great power comes great responsibility. Isn't that the same? So with great power comes great responsibility, meaning that once you start getting this credit, and once your credit scores start going up, you need to be responsible. You need to make sure that you know how to pay and make sure that you make the money too. Use your credit to form a business. Use your credit to start getting a business. Now, guys, we're going to be talking about in the next video about how to start forming your business and get credit lines for your business. Guys, this is getting better and we are the best credit blueprint, guys. I hope this helped you. Once again, my name is Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. Do not forget to like and share, comment. Let me know what you think. Let me know the good, the bad. But at the same time, I want you to share with your best friend. Share with your family because I know this is going to help you and that I know that this can help many of you. Guys, I want you to click on that bell icon and click on all so like that you'll be notified every time that we post a new content. But guys, do not forget, give me the thumbs up. Give me the thumbs up. Why? Like that, I'm going to be able to reach many, many, many more. And that's my goal. Like I said to you, I want to make sure that I raise the credit score for America. I want all of you to get to the 800 club. And that's my goal. That's my mission. My name is Carlos Estrada Vega with the best credit blueprint. And I'll see you in the next video.